good talking to you. I would like to introduce to you how I was able to build this calisthenics gym and equipment. In fact, it's not only for calisthenics, it's also for other sports too as well. I would like to introduce this equipment to you one by one and how it works. A little demonstration just to show you that this one works for this, or before I'm going to start any tutorial or anything I am going to do. You know that there are a lot of challenges, in fact crises, that have encountered so many people. Sometimes it happens abruptly. It's so unescapable. I decided to look for a very beautiful place like this one, this mountain, to find futures. I decided to come here so that I can build something that I can be able to do it without giving excuses. At least I've already prepared myself. I came, I started building it. It was not easy, I tell you. I went far on top of mountains, go cut trees, bring them down. I was doing that. I was starting early in the morning around 5, sometimes walked here, maybe 7. I do that for weeks, going to about 2 months, which was not easy, I tell you. After all the hard works, I was digging holes. These holes you see here are very deep. Each one of them is going about 1 meter. It's not easy work. It was never easy at all. But I keep up. I did not give excuses. Even though I didn't say because Well. It's good to see you. Now here, I have this. I use this as my ring training. Guys, Alexander the Great once said, nothing is impossible for he who will try. No matter what obstacle come your way, you know, failure are all accustomed of giving excuses because of Mr. A, because of this thing happened, because of that. That's how they live their life, on excuses, which is not going to change anything. Guys, I challenge you today, do not be a failure. Do whatever you have to do to get whatever you want. I know each human, you are unique in one way or the other. But make sure that your spirit is never broken, because once your spirit is broken, you are downhearted. Now you start starting from square one all over again, but repeatedly. Be strong. If something comes your way, think, what could I have done better? What would I do to prevent something like this from taking place? Don't forget that. Don't let your spirit to be down. That was what kept me going. When it gets too easy. Another man called Bruce Lee, he once said, knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. In life, if you don't change anything, nothing is going to change for you. You will be the one who's going to get up and make the change yourself. It was not easy at all, but I have to keep the work going. It's just a demo, it's not a workout. I'm still going to start my workout and tutorials and other things that I will be doing. than that, I want to say this: time waits for nobody. It doesn't wait for you, neither I. Neither time does not even wait for the president that rules the country. With all the power he has, time does not wait for him. You can even Google it and check whether does time wait for anybody and see the answer. If you know your word, go get it. I can hold the planche position. I can do planche push-up. I can do L-sit, and L-sit to handstand, and so many others. I use this one for human flag. It's very interesting. And L-sit push-ups. These are the deep bars. When you do it in a proper form, you see how difficult it really gets. If it gets too easy, you can start adding extra weight so that it will make it more challenging for you. I use this one for deadlift as my extra weight to advance. When an exercise gets too easy, to go in a more advanced form, we use extra weight. It's just that I didn't come here with my belt, and this takes your game to the next level. This, you already know how this one works. This one, the same thing. I'm going to tie something here. I'm going to pass through my waistline. With this one, I can use it to hold the planche position and also to do inclination push-up and declination push-up. Increase my speed, strength, agility. In fact, it increased my overall strength. In this position, you swing it up and down. I use it for doing my pull-up. There are a lot of variation of pull-up. We have the one arm pull-up, the muzzle up, 360 muzzle up, chin up, so on and so forth. Demonstrate one. I'll put a belt here tied on my waist. It's just that I didn't come with my belt. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Like, share, comment. If I don't talk to you on the next video, in fact, I am going to be very furious. Stay beast flaming.